Day 4. You know we're back for more. Let's go. Mega Evolutions Booster Bundle Take 2. We got Mega Venusaur on the pack. I bet that makes a crazy cool card as well. Let's go. Code card Pikachu. Ooh, Leaf Luck. I'm feeling it, my dudes. This is the one. Snom Nom Nom. We got Magnemite. Lopunny. We got a Rafiki. We got a Garnackle. Am I saying that right? I don't know. Every time I always ask myself. I never know. Shedinja. We got a reverse Corphish. We got a reverse Shedinja. Man, so many of those. Into a Lightning Puppy.